Marzipan is like edible Play-Doh, a delightful treat that you can mold and shape into almost anything your heart desires. You can make so many fun shapes with it. From cute little animals to intricate flowers, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for parties, holidays, or just for fun. Imagine a table full of colorful marzipan decorations, adding a touch of whimsy to any celebration. Let's learn how to make amazing marzipan creations. With a few simple techniques, you can transform this sweet dough into edible art. Marzipan is made from almonds, sugar, and a little bit of water. These basic ingredients come together to create a versatile and delicious treat. It's easy to work with and tastes delicious. The smooth texture makes it perfect for rolling and shaping. You can use food coloring to make any color you want. Bright reds, vibrant greens, or soft pastels. The choice is yours. Get ready to have some fun and let your imagination run wild with marzipan. Let's get started on this sweet adventure and create something truly enchanting. Before we begin, let's gather everything we need. You'll need just a few simple ingredients to make the marzipan: almond flour, powdered sugar, light corn syrup, almond extract, and food coloring, your choice of colors. You will also need some tools to help you shape and decorate your marzipan creations: a rolling pin, cookie cutters, small knives, and paint brushes. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to making the marzipan base. Making the marzipan base is easy and fun. With just a few simple ingredients and steps, you can create a delicious and versatile treat. First, mix the almond flour and powdered sugar together in a large bowl. Make sure to combine them thoroughly so that the texture is smooth and even. Then, add the corn syrup and almond extract. These ingredients will help bind the mixture and give it that classic marzipan flavor. Mix it all together until it forms a dough. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and make sure everything is well incorporated. If it's too dry, add a little bit of water, just a few drops at a time until the dough reaches the right consistency. If it's too wet, add a little bit more powdered sugar. This will help absorb the excess moisture and firm up the dough. Once the dough is the right consistency, you can start coloring it. This is where you can get creative and make your marzipan unique. Divide the dough into smaller portions and add a few drops of food coloring to each portion. You can use different colors to make a variety of marzipan shapes and designs. Knead the dough until the color is evenly distributed. This might take a bit of time, but it's important to ensure the color is consistent throughout the dough. Enjoy the process and have fun with it. Now comes the fun part, shaping your marzipan. This is where your creativity can really shine. Marzipan is incredibly versatile and can be molded into almost any shape you can imagine. You can use your hands to mold the marzipan into different shapes. The warmth of your hands will make the marzipan more pliable and easier to work with. Animals are always a popular choice. You can create cute little figures like bunnies, bears, or even mythical creatures like dragons. Roll out the marzipan dough and use cookie cutters to make fun shapes. Cookie cutters come in various designs, from stars and hearts to more intricate patterns. You can also use small knives to create details. This is where you can add intricate patterns or textures to your marzipan creations. For example, you can use a knife to make eyes, a nose, and a mouth for an animal. Adding these small details can bring your creations to life. After you have shaped your marzipan, you can paint it with food coloring. This is a great way to add vibrant colors and make your creations even more appealing. Mix a small amount of food coloring with a few drops of water and use a paintbrush to add details to your shapes. You can blend colors to create gradients or use fine brushes for intricate designs. Let your marzipan creations dry completely before enjoying them. This will help the colors set and the shapes to hold. Once dry, your marzipan creations are ready to be displayed or eaten.